Hello everyone. So I'm going to show how to practice future trading on TradingView. So I'm using TradingView paper trading account to practice 50,000 challenge to bring it to $53,000. As you all know, most of the platform have $3,000 profit target. So before you start any trading with platform, you can practice on TradingView paper trading. It is very similar like a platform. So I am looking at a ticker symbol of Nasdaq micro contact MNQ. If you see here, this is my strategy where I saw a bull run and then it crossed the EMAs and I saw three green red candles pushing it, breaking the 200 EMA and going upward. So that gave me a confirmation that price action is changed from this downward trend to upward trend. So if I go on a smaller time frame right here, this is 1 minute time frame. I saw there was a pullback over here. So after this bull run, I saw there is a small pullback. So I entered over here one position and then I entered one more when I got confirmation when the VWAP got broke. So I got two entry positions of NMQ and this is my average and I have placed a take profit target on a high of the day. So today, sorry, today the high of the day is the day was 20,000, 35, but I kept it at 20 because there was a lot of consolidation over here. So this is a way where you can practice trading without buying a platform account.